This is Captain Tim Budzinski, 22 years of service with Charlotte Fire and a lifetime surrounded by the sound of sirens. Firefighting runs deep in Tim's blood.
So I grew up around the fire service my whole life, and I saw the dedication.
His father was a fire chief and still volunteers with Brevard Fire Department. His brother serves with Asheville Fire. His brother-in-law, Hickory Fire. Tim knew early on what he was meant to do. Ride-alongs with local fire companies lit a fire in him that's never gone out.
I did a ride-along with Station 13, and as soon as I got done with that ride-along, I knew exactly where I wanted to be.
He was taught to serve not just by words, but by example.
All the calls that you go on, take care of people like they're your own family.
And for over 2 decades, Tim has done just that. But not every family is by blood. In the firehouse, sometimes we make new family. Tim and his driver, John, go way back.
We were lucky enough to ride the back together, so we developed the bond with each other back then.
Now, they ride Engine 44 together, the newest engine company in the Charlotte Fire arsenal, a vital addition to our mission of protecting the community. They hope to ride it out all the way to retirement.
We'll definitely be together to the end.
Within a few days of going in service, they caught a 2 alarm showing that both them and Engine 44 have hit the ground running. Captain Tim Budzinski, built by legacy, driven by service, and surrounded by family, both old and new.